So what are the benefits of HR analytics? What we get out of so many efforts? So we get more accurate decision making when our decisions are backed by a proper data analysis. They are more accurate. We come up with the strategies to improve a retention can be developed, right? So whenever something is happening repetitively, we are taking the same step again and again to retain an employee. So that can be converted into a strategy, that can be converted into a policy, that if we know that when we do this an employee actually exits, so we'll stop doing that, right? So the third benefit would be employee engagement can be improved when we take survey results in hand and we analyze that and we feel that employee engagement is quite less, and we analyze that and we get to know the reason behind it, so we actually end up getting more employee engagement because we are working on the reasons. Recruitment and hiring can be better tailored to the organization's actual skill set needs. So when we work on the recruitment and hiring process, when we are working on that, so and when we know that at the exit, employees giving a particular feedback about the recruitment and hiring process, or whatever we are getting out of that data analysis, we can always incorporate that feedback to the recruitment and hiring process, and that can be better tailored. So the trends and the patterns in HR data can lend itself to forecasting and predictive analysis. As I told you earlier as well, then when we actually analyze present and past data and we check for the trend and the patterns in that data, then we always check that pattern and trend in the future data as well proactively, and then we can take the necessary step at the correct time. That is called predictive analytics, when we are predicting the future on the basis of the present and past data, right? So when we are working so hard, when we are taking data of HR and analyzing the data, then your workforce become more productive because they have been listened up by the HR. Their problems have been solved. They are getting answers to their query, and that is not on the basis of gut feeling but on the basis of the data analysis. So it actually motivates the workforce. And when you analyze the data and you know why people leave, what is the age group that is leaving the organization, if somebody is joining new and you notice that all the new joinees are actually leaving the company, or people above age 40 are leaving the company, when you know these things about your organization, so you can plan your workforce accordingly. In case you know that people between the age 26 to 40 are working hard, they are the people who are giving you more productivity, they are the people who are giving you more revenue. So whenever you plan to hire more people, which is the age group you are going to hire, 26 to 40 only, why will you hire out of that age range when you know those people do not work, those people are not giving you the better results? So this is the kind of planning you can do when you have data and data analysis in front of you. So basically, when we take these steps of HR analytics, when we are analyzing the data, it improves the overall process as well. So these are some of the benefits. There are many, but these are the main benefits you will get if you implement HR analytics in your organization.